Connecting your Rogers Ignite Wi-Fi pods involves a straightforward process using the Rogers Ignite app. First, ensure you have an Ignite internet plan, as the pods require the Ignite gateway to function. Begin by plugging the pod into a power outlet within 10 to 30 meters of your gateway. Download and open the Rogers Ignite app, available on both iOS and Android. Log in with your Rogers account credentials. Navigate to the Wi-Fi section, then select Pods and set up new pod. The app will guide you through scanning for the device and pairing it, either via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Watch for the LED indicator on the pod to turn solid white, signaling a successful connection. The app also tests connectivity and offers placement optimization tips. This mesh network setup extends your Wi-Fi coverage, eliminating dead zones and ensuring a seamless connection throughout your home. Once your Rogers Ignite Wi-Fi pods are connected, leverage the Rogers Ignite app for advanced features such as parental controls, guest networks, and speed tests. The app allows you to manage connected devices and prioritize bandwidth allocation. To troubleshoot common issues, ensure the pod has a stable power source and is within range of the gateway. If you encounter setup hiccups, especially during peak hours, Rogers provides 24/7 support. For a pod that fails due to power surges, Rogers typically offers replacements. Keep the Rogers Ignite app updated to the latest version for AI-assisted optimization and the latest security patches. Regular firmware updates for the pods themselves are automatically applied to maintain optimal performance and protect against vulnerabilities using WPA3 encryption.